Hey, Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef, coming at you today with another video. This is an easy video that you can make at home in a cast iron skillet. Yeah, I got the banana in my hand, huh? That's right, in one pan, a cast iron skillet. We're gonna make from the stove top right into the oven an upside down banana cake. Infused, of course, we're putting our little twist on it here at the Florida Cannabis Chef. That's what we do. So, you ready? Let's get started on that infused upside down banana cake. Here we go. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click that little bell to get notifications, and share with all your like-minded friends. But here we go. We're starting off with 2 ounces of cannabis butter at approximately 288 milligrams of THC. We're putting this in our 12-inch cast iron skillet, 12 inches, with 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Then we're going to add our bananas. 4 bananas we sliced up. I really like the organic bananas. They taste so much better. We're going to simmer it on a low heat for about 15 minutes. In a separate bowl, we're going to start off with 2 eggs. We're going to put our eggs in a bowl. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Use whatever vanilla you have on hand. I happen to like this one. After that, 1 cup of sugar. You can substitute with infused sugar if you like. After that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. We used infused cannabis salt, which came in at approximately 25 milligrams of THC. We're going to mix this real well, get this wet mix going. Then we're going to add 1 cup of heavy cream and 2/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. You can use infused oil in this as well as a replacement. We didn't want to make it that strong today. Now we're going to go with 1 3/4 cups of flour in a separate bowl and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We're going to mix those together real well, and of course we sifted our flour. Now we're going to add half of this flour mixture to our wet mix. We're going to mix this up real well. Now we only want to add half at a time. After it's mixed, we're going to add our other half, mix real well, and here we go. Once again, this is a simple, easy to make, one in a pan. Now we're going to pour this over our banana mixture that's simmered for 15 minutes. We're going to place it in that oven at 360 degrees for 40 minutes. Now what we got is we have approximately 313 milligram total THC. We got 12 portions out of this baby. Gave us 26.8 milligrams of THC per portion. Look at that. That's beautiful. Upside down cast iron skillet banana cake. This is Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef. We really hope you enjoyed today's video of how to make a 1-pan cast iron skillet upside down banana cake. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, share with all your friends, and send us in your comments. Happy cannabis cooking.